Modern kitchens are becoming increasingly stylish, thoughtful, and comfortable. Today, design moves away from random details and strives for harmony, clarity, and a sense of calm in every element. In 2026, atmosphere is especially valued. Smooth lines, clean shapes, and carefully considered combinations of materials. Even small spaces can look elegant and open if balance and a cohesive visual language are maintained. A modern modular kitchen is not just a practical solution. It's a part of the interior that sets the mood. Every detail, from proportions to textures, contributes to a feeling of lightness and aesthetic refinement. Currently, simplicity, cohesion, and a sense of spaciousness are trending. Even with many functional elements, kitchen areas increasingly appear calm. Orderly and refined. Visual clarity has become the key to making a kitchen look modern and luxurious. Many designers aim for the kitchen to feel like a part of the whole home, not a separate workspace, but a beautiful extension of the overall style. That's why smooth transitions, soft contours, and serene compositions are so highly valued today. Inspiration is increasingly drawn from nature. Natural tones, expressive yet subtle surfaces, a combination of softness and structure. This harmony makes even small kitchens visually more spacious and cozy. When the elements of a kitchen are unified by a single idea, the space begins to resonate differently. It looks modern, fresh, and genuinely stylish, regardless of size or shape. This is why modern kitchen ideas are so versatile. They allow you to create an interior that remains relevant both next year and 5 years from now. It's a combination of aesthetics, simplicity, and lightness in every frame. May these ideas help you see just how diverse and beautiful modern kitchen design can be. Free, elegant, and inspiring.